What's going on, everybody? Michael here. Welcome back to another episode of Technoid. A little bit of apologies for the blank background. I usually have my Miami sign, but unfortunately it fell off the wall. So gotta get this bad boy repaired. So working on that. But welcome back, guys. Today we got another Tesla video. This time we are gonna dive back to the tire caps because we got a brand new hubcaps that have made its way across the Tesla studio, which is kind of the tie-in to the name of the company, Test Studios. Want to thank them in advance for being a part of today's episode and being kind enough to allow me to make this video for them. But as you guys know, with all of my videos and any company that works with me, they do not have a say. They don't tell me what to say. They do not even know about the video until it goes live the same time that you guys see it. So now we got those things out of the way. Let's talk about these hubcaps. Now, I've reviewed a number of hubcaps from several companies that have worked with my channel, and all of them have great options. But I gotta be honest, this actually might just be, in my opinion, my favorite hubcap, not just in terms of design, but also the aerodynamics and the driving feel. I'll explain all that, but essentially these are a Cyclone style wheel design. You're gonna see B-roll footage of this, and they go on both the left and the right side of the tires. They do have them marked in the back, so make sure that you put the right side with the right hubcap. Again, you will see that in the back of it. It also comes with stickers that you can also place in the center of the hubcap with the Tesla logo, or you can just blur it out if you don't want to put any Tesla logo. Again, these are third parties, so continuity counts. With that being said, though, the actual design itself does look very similar to the Ultra Turbine wheels that you would get if you upgraded to the 20-inch wheels, and in my honest opinion, I actually like it. The matte finish feels very nice. It has full 360 protection, so it protects around the rim as well, so if there's any scuffs or any issues, it does protect where need be. On top of that, it is also relatively very good in terms of the actual driving. So when I was using the previous hubcaps from a different video, which again, we're not going to try to compare and contrast, but I do have to say, not only did these ones feel the most one-to-one to like a Tesla OEM hubcap, the previous ones were making a very weird rattling sound, but also the drive felt a lot smoother. Now, you know the benefits of these is that they help to reduce wind resistance and also doesn't affect the range. You can kind of get better range efficiency with the tires, but I definitely noticed the improvement in the wind resistance because there were times with the previous hubcaps I could feel it when I'm driving to North Carolina and back, but also when I'm driving on the highway coming home from work, whereas when I used these hubcaps, it was a much more smoother drive. There was less wind resistance. So I actually have to say, I actually felt the difference and noticed the difference. And even when I came home, the mileage difference was also substantial. So yes, you know, when you have your AC and heat, obviously it's gonna eat away at the battery, but to get to the gym would be about a 3% drop in the battery from 80 to 77 with the old hubcaps. With these ones, even with the heat or the AC on, depending on the weather, I get to the gym from 80 to 78%. Now, 1% is not going to make the biggest deal, but that's a nice slight improvement, showing the accuracy of the wind reduction and the aerodynamics. So I actually think that these are designed very well and actually work to improve the car's efficiency. So not only do I absolutely recommend these, but I could even say from my own experience that it's a significant difference. It is so much closer to the Tesla OEM style. So I will leave a link in the description if you want to check out these hubcaps for yourself. They are on a relatively very good price and they don't break the bank at all. And it has a really cool design. And there are other designs you can check out, but Test Studio definitely did their homework with designing this. It feels like a premium OEM, and it doesn't feel like one of those third-party accessories that has that third-party look and feel to it. So head on over to Test Studio. Thank you once again for being a part of today's episode. Again, guys, if you have any questions or concerns, please write them in the comments. I will absolutely try to answer them. And again, if you disagree with what I'm saying, it's totally fine. It's your opinion. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode. I will see you all in the next episode. Have a good day and